Hello everyone. So let's start with the 71st question. 171st question. Operation Vijay was conducted against which nation? So options are China, Bangladesh, Nepal and Pakistan. Operation Vijay was conducted or successfully military action. It was a successful military action which was conducted against the Pakistan by India in 1991. It was conducted against Pakistan by India in 1999. In 1999. Kisan Divas was is celebrated on. So Kisan Divas is celebrated on 23rd December. 23rd December. Kisan Divas is celebrated on 23rd December every year in remembrance of ex-Prime Minister of India, late Chaudhry Charan Singh. So question can be asked that in whose remembrance Kisan Divas is celebrated every year on 23rd December. The option may be Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, because they were did a lot of work in support of the peasants and established many other organizations for the welfare of the peasants. So questions can be asked that in whose remembrance it is celebrated every year. Answer will be the late Chaudhry Charan Singh. Answer will be late Chaudhry Charan Singh. He was the ex-Prime Minister of India. Next is match correctly. So list 1 and list 2. List 1 is the Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen, Chandrasekhar and Vinu Mankad. List 2 is economics, cricket, literature and astrophysics. So Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize for the literature for Gitanjali in 1913 and he was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. First Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. Amartya Sen was migrant Indian who got Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998 and Chandrasekhar was an eminent astronomer. He received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983 for his special achievements in physics. Vinu Makan was a famous cricketer. First Indian to win Nobel Prize, so he was Rabindranath Tagore. Consider the following events connected with Indian national movement. One is Gandhi-Irvin Pact, 5th March 1931, exclusion of Bhagat Singh. So exclusion of Bhagat Singh, 23rd March 1931, Karachi session of Indian National Congress, 1929, and martyrdom of the Chandrasekhar Azad. It is 27th March 27th February 1931, I think. So here A will be the correct answer because नेशनल मूवमेंट द इंडियंस नेशनल मूवमेंट जो हमारे इवेंट्स थे वो कैसे हैं. मार्टरडम ऑफ चंद्रशेखर आजाद 27 फरवरी 1931, Gandhi-Irvin Pact 5th March 1931, execution of Bhagat Singh 23rd March 1931 and Karachi session of Indian National Congress 25 to 29 March 1931. Consider the following events connected with the Indian National Congress. First is Lahore session of Indian National Congress 1929, Gandhi-Irvin Pact. Gandhi-Irvin Pact 5th March 1931, Karachi session of Indian National Congress. Karachi session was 25th to 29 March 1931 or execution of Rajguru 23rd March 1931. So correct answer will be A, 1, 2, 4 and 3. Lahore session of Indian National Congress held in December 1929 and Gandhi-Irvin Pact was signed on 5th March 1931 while the execution of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru happened just 2 days before 23rd March 1931, 2 days before of Karachi session which was held on 25th to 29th March 1931. List 1 and list 2. List 1 is Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel and list 2 is throwing of bomb on the Central Legislative Assembly. So it is Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev and Hariharapur session of Indian National Congress is associated with the Subhash Chandra Bose. Next is Iqbal and Batukeshwar Dutt and list 2 is Operation Polo and Allahabad session of Muslim League 1930. So Allahabad session is 1930. Yes, Sukhdev. It is actually Batukeshwar Dutt and Bhagat Singh, not Sukhdev. And Iqbal is associated with the Allahabad session of Muslim League 1930. Operation Polo is associated with the Vallabhbhai Patel. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, Hariharapur session of Indian National Congress, Vallabhbhai Patel, Operation Polo, and Iqbal is associated with the Allahabad session of Muslim League. Batukeshwar Dutt throwing of the bomb in Central Assembly. The bomb was not of very high intensity. Next is which of the Who was the chairperson of Indian National Socialist Youth Congress? Who was the chairperson of All India Socialist Youth Congress? So he was Jawaharlal Nehru. First All India Socialist Youth Congress was organized in Calcutta 27 December 1928. This congress was presided over by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Alipur Central Jail is situated at, so it is situated at Kolkata. Alipur Central Jail is situated at Kolkata. It was established in 1910. Political prisoners were imprisoned here during the British India rule. Operation Polo is associated or connected with, so it is connected with the military action in Hyderabad. Military action in Hyderabad because the Prince of Hyderabad or the state of Hyderabad was not willing to join the Indian Union. So Operation Polo, the code name of the Hyderabad police action, was a military operation in September 1948 in which the Indian armed forces invaded the state of Hyderabad and overthrew its Nizam, annexing the state into the Indian Union. The Secretariat building of which state is known as the Writers Building. So it is the West Bengal. The Secretariat building of the West Bengal is known as the Writers Building. It is located in Calcutta and was architected by the Thomas Loyan. It is originally constructed for the junior servants or writers of the British East India Company 1777. That in India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on. It is celebrated on 5th September. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of second president and educationist. He was the second president and educationist Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The World Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th October by the UNESCO in Education International Worldwide Union of Teachers. 5th October. When is National Press Day celebrated? National Press Day is celebrated on 16th November. 16th November. National Press Day is celebrated on 16th November. Press Council of India was established on 1966 on the same day. The Bharatiya Kisan Union was established. Bharatiya Kisan Union was established in. So Bharatiya Kisan Union was established in 1968. 1968. Bharatiya Kisan Union was established on 17th October 1986. 1986. It was 1986, not 68. 1986 as a non-political organization. It was a non-political organization. Karl Marx explained the process of class struggle with the help of which of the following. So he explained the class struggle with the help of dialectical materialism. Karl Marx explained the process of the class struggle with the help of the dialectical materialism. According to Marx, in the process of the historical chronology, slavery was the base, slavery of the base of the society, and slavery was at the lowest strata. Land was the base of the feudal society. Land was the base of the feudal society. Feuds have the most of the land accumulated in their hands, and capital was the base of the middle class society. So capital was the main base or main strength of the middle class society. It is his materialistic description of the history. According to the Marx, the history of the socialist is determined by the economic causes which inherent class struggle. So his ideas were associated with the economic that economic cause was the main determinant for the class struggle. Next is Valentine Day is celebrated on which day? So it is celebrated on 14th February. Valentine Day is celebrated on the 14th February of every year in memory of the Christian saints. It is associated with the three Valentine saints, two from the Rome and Turkey and one from the Africa who got martyrdom on this day. Next is the present day calendar is based on. It is based on the Gregorian calendar. Most prevalent calendar in the present day is Gregorian calendar and it is used worldwide. Falun Gong is becoming a famous movement in. So it is becoming a famous movement in China. It is becoming a famous movement in China. Falun Gong is the system of faith and practice which was established by the Li Hongji in the China in 1992. Which statement is not true about the Mother Teresa? So Mother Teresa was born in Albania. It is right, and she was a nun at the age of 18 years. It is also correct. She was a nun at the age of 18 years. Correct, and she was not an Indian at the time of her death. So it is wrong. She was an Indian at the time. And D is she was once a teacher in Calcutta. It is also correct. She was a teacher. Mother Teresa was born in 1910 in Albania. At the age of 18, she had taken the membership of the missionary, and she came to India in 1929 and started teaching at the Lourdes Convent. Lourdes Convent, I think it is school or college, don't know, in Calcutta. She was an Indian citizen at the time of her death on September 5th, 1997. Religious organization established by Mother Teresa is called. It is called Missionaries of Charity. Missionaries of Charity. Next question is match list 1 and list 2. We have the list 1. A is Legal Service Day, B is World Tourism Day, C is World Theatre Day, and D is International Literacy Day. List 2 is March 27, September 8, November 9, and September 27. So Legal Service Day is celebrated on 9th November, World Tourism Day on 27 September, World Tourism Day on 27 September, and World Theatre Day on 27 March, International Literacy Day on 8 September. So now again we have the two lists, and list 1 and list 2. I will read list 1 first. 11 July, 12th August, 29 August, and 8 September. 11 July, World Population Day. Let's see the answer. 11 July, World Population Day. 12 August, International Youth Day. 29 International Youth Day in the remembrance of जो सेंट थे उनका नाम जो एसोसिएटेड थे विद द इंटरनेशनल यूथ डे, जो एसोसिएटेड हैं एक्चुअली. सो व्हाट इज हिज नेम, आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना है. 29 अगस्त नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे, and 8 September is associated with Literacy Day, and we celebrate Literacy Day on 8 September. Next is Civil Service Day is celebrated on. It is celebrated on 21st April. 21st April. The government of India has taken a decision to observe 21st of April every year as Civil Service Day as an association for the civil servants to rededicate themselves to cause of the citizen and renew their commitment to public services and excellent in work. First such function was held at Vigyan Bhavan on 21st April 2006. Since then we celebrate this day on the 21st April every year. Next is which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Fateh Singh Rathore, Tiger Man, it is correct. Suresh Tendulkar, political scientist, it is not correct. Suresh Tendulkar was an economist and he did very good work in poverty actually measurement. We can say that poverty measurement. Suresh Tendulkar did a phenomenal work. Next is Mani Kannan, filmmaker, it is also correct. And R.S. Sharma, we all know that R.S. Sharma was an historian. So Suresh Tendulkar is an economist, not political scientist, and other options are correctly matched. Match the following: Yellowstone, Eiffel Tower, Pagoda, and pyramids. Yellowstone is in America, United States of America, and it is the first national park of United States of America. I think it is established in 1971. I'm not sure. Eiffel Tower in Paris, and Pagoda is in Myanmar, and pyramids in Egypt. Yellowstone Park is America's first national park. Established. Sorry, it is established in 1872. So 1872. I think I said this that it is 1971. 1871. So it is correct year is 1872. 1872. Yellowstone River flows in the middle of it. Eiffel Tower is located in Paris and was designed by the engineer Gustave Eiffel in 1885. In 1885, Myanmar is also known as the country of Golden Pagoda. The pyramids located at the Giza, Egypt, were built in 2700 BC. It is too old to preserve the dead bodies and were used as a royal mausoleums. It is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. Next is the first lady prime minister of the world was. So first lady prime minister was Simrao Bhandar Naike. The first Lady Prime Minister of the world was Simrao Bhandar Naike of Sri Lanka, years in which the Lady Prime Minister took the oath given below. Simrao Bhandar Naike 1960s in Sri Lanka, Indira Gandhi 1966 India, Goldmeier 1969 and of Israel, and Margaret Thatcher 1979 Britain. Next question is, among the following, which is name the official residence of the British Prime Minister? So 10 Downing Street. 10 Downing Street is the official name of the British Prime Minister. The Prime Minister of Britain is also known as the First Lord of Treasury. It is located in the city of Westminster. So you can write the answer. What is the Westminster model? Next is China occupied Tibet in. So China occupied Tibet in 1959. 1959. China occupied Tibet in 1959. Autonomy of Tibet ended in 1959. Next is Bangladesh was established as an independent nation after the Indo-Pak War of. So Bangladesh was established as an independent nation separating from the Pakistan, and it became the separate nation or independent nation on March 17, 1970. The war between the India and Pakistan took place between the November 22 to December 17, 1971. On December 16, 1971, East Pakistan, after achieving independence from the West Pakistan in the Liberation War, became Bangladesh. Next question is, in which year did the USSR became Russia? So it became Russia in 1991. 1991, Soviet Union disintegrated from in 15 separate countries. So Soviet Union was the union, but in 1991, 26 December 1991, it disintegrated in 15 separate countries. When next is when occurred unification of Germany? Means when Germany unified. So Germany was unified on 3rd October 1990. Germany was divided in Russia influenced Eastern Germany and US influenced Western Germany. After Second World War, Germany reintegrated on 20th October 1990 after a long duration of 40 years. So Germany reunited again in 30th October 1990 after the long duration of 40 years. Next is the main cause of the participation of the US in Second World War. So war occurred between the European power. It is wrong. America bankers had loaned Germany. This is also not correct. Next is natural foreign policy of USA. This is absolutely wrong. And next is the invasion of Pearl Harbor. That is correct. Invasion of the Pearl Harbor. Second World War began on the 1st September 1939 by the invasion of the Germany over the Poland, but America was not involved militarily. But after a sudden attack of Pakistan, America was supporting actually Europe at that time. Specifically, we can say that Britain financially, but it was not involved militarily in the Second World War. But suddenly, when attack of Japan at Pearl Harbor, which was a naval base of the America, on 7th December 1941, America also participated in the Second World War militarily. For the first time, America participated militarily. First president of United States of America was George Washington. Who was the first president? George Washington. George Washington was the first president who served from the 1789 to 1797. Next question is, which of the following was the president of United States of America who have resigned from the office of the post of the president? So he was Richard Nixon. Richard Nixon was he was the 37th president of USA. He is the only US president to resign the office due to his role in the Watergate scandal. ठीक है, वाटरगेट स्कैंडल हुआ था तो उसकी वजह से उन्होंने रिजाइन कर दिया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच कंट्री इज कंसर्न टू बिशप डेस्मोंड Tutu. Up Tutu, I think it is not Tutu. I'm not sure. Check it once. Tutu or something else. Options are South Africa, Nicaragua, Mauritius and Namibia. Bishop Tutu was a black bishop of South Africa who achieved the worldwide fame for his anti-racism movement, and he was a very great person. In decade of 80, he was awarded with the Nobel Prize, and in 1984 Nobel Prize, and Gandhi Peace Prize in 2007. Who is credited with making the real power in China? So it is Tsai Lun. Tsai Lun is credited with the credited to credited with the making of the real power in China. So first paper making is credited to Tsai Lun in China. ठीक है, Tsai Lun in China, and Tsai Lun made paper 105 AD. It is very very important question. Tsai Lun. This question is asked in several forms. Once it was asked the year of paper making, and for the first time where the technique of paper making emerged. So it can be asked in different ways. So first paper making is credited to Tsai Lun in China, and the name is Tsai Lun. It is very very important. Tsai Lun made paper in 105 AD. Next is, which statement is correct? Then B is correct. B is correct. Plato was a disciple of the Socrates. Okay, Plato was the disciple of Socrates. The famous Greek philosopher Plato was the disciple of Socrates, where the Aristotle was the disciple of the Plato. So Aristotle was a disciple of the Plato, and Plato was a disciple of the Socrates. Okay, means Socrates was older than Plato and Aristotle. Plato deliberated on the justice and concept of the ideal state, and his popular book is Republic. Republic is his popular book. So Republic was written by the Plato. Okay. Next question is the main cause of the Italian Renaissance. The main cause was the freedom to express ideas. The Italian Renaissance started in the 40th century. It's known as the beginning of the modern era and termination of the medieval feudalized era. The main cause of the Italian Renaissance was the freedom to express ideas. Apartheid. Yeah, it is wrong. The apartheid is not correct. Apartheid is a Hindi translation of the Unearthly, a novel series with the same name, that is Aparthiv, has been written by the American. Okay, it is a novel series. It is known as Aparthiv and has been written by the American writer Saithya Hand. Apartheid is not apartheid is a system in South Africa of institutionalized racial segregation. Means blacks were segregated from the whites, and there were discrimination between the blacks and whites. So this is apartheid, not apartheid. So answer, we cannot say which is the right answer because the word is not written correctly. It is apartheid and it should be apartheid. Okay. Next is the magazine books and their authors. We will discuss it in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.